It's time for you to start using video. Hey, what's up? I'm Mark Scott. Thanks for checking out another voiceover tip. Don't ever miss one of these tips. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, get notified every time a new video goes online. You're never going to miss out on any of the valuable voiceover business and marketing advice that is getting shared right here on this channel. So this week I want to talk to you about video and more specifically why I think you should be using it. But before we do that, a little story. Let's go back about 100 years ago. I'm working in television. I got the first opportunity of my career to host a TV show. Producer says, you're going to host it by voiceover because you got a face for radio. Now, admittedly, I was a little bit taken back by that. But if I'm being perfectly honest, I'd also say that I was probably a little bit relieved by that fact as well. Because at that point in time, I had less than no desire to be going on camera. So I actually did host the show via voiceover. Actually hosted several shows in television via voiceover back in the day. But then along comes an opportunity to create a YouTube channel. And as much as I was opposed to video, because I'm still not comfortable getting on camera, and I still don't think that I still think I got a face for radio, but I recognize the value that video can add. And I recognize that in today's world of content creation, video is absolutely king. That is the primary source of contact that people are consuming. And that is why I knew that if I wanted to grow my voiceover business, I was going to have to start doing some video. Not only that, but then I was able to channel that into my coaching as well. You're watching this video right now, using video to help grow my coaching business. If you are not using video for voiceover right now, if it is not part of your content creation strategy, if it's not part of the marketing strategy that you are carrying into your business, I absolutely think it should be. And there are two main reasons why, although there's probably about 100 good reasons. First and foremost, I already mentioned it, video is king. It is the number one source of content that is consumed by people in today's social media landscape. That is why, take Instagram for example. Instagram used to be all about pictures. Now you go onto Instagram, 60% of your news feed is video because Instagram sees the value in video. Look at LinkedIn. LinkedIn now allows you to upload video natively to the platform. LinkedIn has even offered the ability to do live streaming because they recognize that content consumption happens in the form of video. So if you want to get people to see you and hear you and pay attention to you, you're going to have to start creating video. The number two reason why, every time you're on video, it's basically a live audition. Think about that. Every time somebody watches you on a video, they're actually listening to you speak. And as they're listening to you speak, it is just as good as having the opportunity to get them to listen to your demo. In fact, listening to you speak on a video might be what convinces them to go and listen to your demo. So if you haven't thought about doing video before, I really want to encourage you to put a little bit of creative energy into figuring out how can I incorporate video into my marketing strategy, whether that is through YouTube or LinkedIn or Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or TikTok or any other platform that allows you to do video. It doesn't matter which one, but start thinking about how you can incorporate it into your marketing strategy because it's going to get more attention and it's going to get you the equivalent of a live audition every single time.